Hello and welcome to this video about an Esoteric K-07 SACD Player. It is a very elegant and very good machine. Only see the first time ever, and my Bible of info says that it has an AK4329 EQ DAC and VOSP SPU 3162. Well, didn't tell me anything, but it is a very nice unit there. Let me play something. And there was nothing wrong with it really, other than the fact that it would skip tracks when, well, after some time, and what it was a bit of grease on rails on which they had traveled. So just a service, I cleaned it up and replaced the grease on it and cleaned my limit switch. I didn't actually clean them, I just tested they were alright, cleaned the lens. This is really very good unit. As you see, the transformer here is good for a power amp, not for a CD player, and bit of filtering there on the input. Never seen that many diodes there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 20, 25 big diodes. I mean, obviously separate power supplies, and but these are heavy duty diodes that fit for a power amp. So that, and as you see, the power board is pretty elaborate, and these are all Nippon chemical capacitors there. So hopefully the rest are also that. It has an input board, input-output board, so you can use it as a DAC for other components. It's SPDIF trace. I looked at that before. It's very square, bit of ring on it, but you know, nothing major. And here is the SACD board, the Sony chip there, 264 pins I think. That there is a servo power up amp. Nothing to adjust, as you see. Very good build quality, very heavy. The mechanism, I've done a separate video on that. First time ever I've seen, you can actually, just there you can see those rails on which head goes, and there's a spring holding them down, so they won't wobble, won't move or anything. Never seen that before, the mechanism. Very well done, very well engineered. And it sounds great. It sounds great too. I've sort of listened only on my workshop system, but my main thing is if I could hear anything that I haven't heard before, then it's obviously good resolution of the DAC, and this was the case here. Well, that's enough of my waffling, and till the next one. Bye bye.